Guys, my name is Umang. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video I am going to tell you top 5 skills that you can learn in your free time. The free courses I'll tell you in this video are for a limited time, so enroll now. Without wasting any more time, let's start the video. The first skill that you can learn in your free time is time management. So you know that people who are successful now live in time management. If you also be successful in your life, so you must do time management. There is a mini course on time management on Udemy for free. I'll give a link in the description below that you can enroll on that course and learn how to manage your time. The second skill is digital photography. So you know that everyday news coming in photography. If you are interested in photography, so you definitely learn. There is also a free Udemy course available for it. I'll give a link in the description below that you can check it out. The third skill that you can learn is Python language. Python is fastest growing programming language in the world as it's quick and easy to write. So you can learn it. You can also learn Python language from your smartphone. Check I button. Fourth skill is WordPress. So if you want to make a fully functional and awesome looking website, so you must learn it. You can make WordPress website within 2 hours and the website will be mobile friendly also. The fifth skill is blogging. So I think you all know what is blogging, but let me tell what is blogging. Equipping web page with tools to make the process of writing, posting, linking and sharing content easier on the internet is blogging. All the free courses are for a limited time, so enroll now. Thank you for watching.